In this video, we listed the 15 best garage inventions for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, Blue Driver Bluetooth Pro. The Blue Driver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 car scan tool and code reader is a professional-grade vehicle diagnostic tool designed to provide comprehensive insights into a car's health. Compatible with both iPhone and Android devices, this scanner is ideal for troubleshooting issues related to their check engine, light, and other vehicle diagnostics. By connecting to a car's OBD2 port, Blue Driver enables users to read and clear codes, access repair reports, and view live data for better understanding and maintenance of their vehicles. It offers enhanced features like manufacturer-specific codes and real-time diagnostics, making it particularly valuable for vehicle owners seeking in-depth data for efficient troubleshooting. Product 2. Product name EHEELP Electric Car Jack Kit. The EHEELP Electric Car Jack Kit is a highly efficient and versatile tool designed for quick and easy tire changes and vehicle repairs. This 12V hydraulic car jack boasts a robust lifting capacity of up to 5 tons, making it suitable for various vehicle types, including SUVs, MPVs, sedans, and trucks. With a lifting range of 6.1 to 17.7 inches, the jack is compatible with different ground clearances, providing flexibility and utility in diverse repair situations. The kit comes equipped with an electric impact wrench, streamlining the process of loosening or tightening lug nuts during tire changes. Powered directly from the vehicle's 12V DC outlet, the system is convenient and eliminates the manual effort associated with traditional jacks. The compact and portable design makes it an excellent addition to garage tools or an essential item for on-road emergencies. Product 3. Product name AIN 3-ton Heavy-Duty Floor Jack. The AIN 3-ton Heavy-Duty Floor Jack is a robust and versatile hydraulic jack designed for quick and efficient lifting of vehicles in automotive and garage settings. With its steel construction and double pump system, this jack ensures durability and faster lifting performance, making it ideal for professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike. Key features include rotating rear casters, which provide enhanced maneuverability in tight spaces, and a lift capacity of up to 3 tons, accommodating most cars, SUVs, and light trucks. Its sleek blue finish not only adds aesthetic appeal but also offers corrosion resistance, ensuring long-lasting performance. The jack's ergonomic design and precision-engineered components align with the user's interest in reliable automotive tools, such as DIY windshield repair kits, vehicle recovery accessories, and car maintenance products. Product 4. Product name CXRCY Air Jack. The CXRCY Air Jack is a robust and efficient pneumatic lifting tool designed for heavy-duty applications, catering to both personal and professional use. With its 5-ton, 11,000 pounds capacity, this triple-bag air jack offers fast and reliable lifting for cars, trucks, and other vehicles. Its maximum lifting height of 16 inches makes it versatile for various maintenance and repair tasks, from changing tires to working on undercarriage components. Key features. High capacity, designed to lift up to 11,000 pounds, the CXRCY Air Jack can handle heavy-duty vehicles with ease, making it suitable for automotive shops and off-road enthusiasts alike. Triple bag design, the triple airbag system provides improved stability and safety during operation, ensuring secure lifting even on uneven surfaces. Adjustable long handle. Equipped with an adjustable long handle, it ensures convenience and ergonomic ease, making it suitable for different vehicle heights and reducing operator strain. Fast lifting, the pneumatic operation allows for rapid lifting, minimizing downtime during repairs or adjustments. Product 5. Product name 8,000 pounds Scissor Lift Mid-Rise. The 8,000 pounds Scissor Lift Mid-Rise is a robust and versatile lifting solution designed for home garages, automotive enthusiasts, and professional mechanics. This car lift is built to handle vehicles weighing up to 8,000 pounds, offering exceptional support and reliability for a wide range of lifting tasks. Its compact design and efficient operation make it an ideal choice for those seeking to maximize space and enhance their garage functionality. Key features: weight capacity. Designed to lift vehicles up to 8,000 pounds, accommodating sedans, SUVs, and light trucks. Mid-rise lift. Provides a maximum lifting height of 39.5 inches, making it perfect for wheel, brake, and undercarriage work. The mid-rise design is suitable for garages with lower ceilings or limited space. Power specifications. Operates on a 110V electric system, ensuring compatibility with standard household outlets for ease of installation and use. Electric release mechanism. Features a user-friendly electric release system that simplifies lowering the vehicle, enhancing convenience and safety during operation. Product 6. Product name: Big Red T43202 Torin Heavy Duty Steel Jack. The Big Red T43202 Torin Heavy Duty Steel Jack stands are a reliable and robust solution for car lifting needs, designed specifically for compact and mid-sized vehicles. Each stand boasts a 3-ton, 6,000 pounds capacity, making them suitable for a variety of car repair and maintenance tasks. The pair of stands feature a heavy-duty steel construction, ensuring durability and long-term performance. They are equipped with a ratchet bar for easy height adjustment and a wide base that offers excellent stability during use. While these jack stands are ideal for lifting cars, they are not suitable for SUVs or trucks, as their design caters to lighter vehicle types. Their compact design makes them easy to store and transport, further enhancing their practicality for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Product 7. Product name: Centertech Systems 94698 Quick Click. The Centertech Systems 94698 Quick Click is a versatile and efficient 10-foot hose designed for use with home and shop vacuums. It is particularly valuable for professionals and DIY enthusiasts working on woodworking, construction, or home improvement projects that generate dust and debris. This product is equipped with an expanded multi-brand power tool adapter set, making it compatible with a wide variety of power tools for effective dust collection. Key features. Compatibility. Their hose fits most popular brands of home and shop vacuums, offering seamless integration into existing setups. Quick click design enables fast and secure connections between the hose and power tools or vacuum ports, minimizing setup time. Multi-brand adapter set includes multiple adapters to connect to a variety of power tools, ensuring dust is efficiently collected regardless of the equipment used. Product 8. Product name: Dust-Right FlexiPort Power Tool Hose Kit. The Dust-Right FlexiPort Power Tool Hose Kit is a versatile and essential accessory for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals. Designed to enhance dust collection efficiency, this kit features a 3 to 12-foot expandable hose that adapts to your workspace requirements, providing flexibility and convenience. The lightweight and durable construction make it an ideal companion for power tools, including shop vacuums, table saws, and other woodworking machinery. The kit includes 4 FlexiPorts, which are designed to attach securely to a wide variety of power tools, ensuring a snug fit and minimizing dust leakage. This adaptability makes it a valuable addition for those using multiple tools, promoting a cleaner and safer workshop environment. Whether working on small projects or larger woodworking tasks, the Dust-Right FlexiPort Power Tool Hose Kit offers the convenience of portability and the functionality of a high-quality dust collector system. Product 9. Product name: 30W Rechargeable Work Light. The 30W Rechargeable Work Light is a versatile and powerful lighting solution, designed to deliver 3000 lumens of bright illumination for a wide range of applications. Its rechargeable battery ensures portability and cordless operation, making it ideal for use in construction sites, workshops, garages, camping, and car repairing tasks. Key features include: magnetic base provides hands-free operation by securely attaching to metal surfaces, enhancing convenience during intricate tasks. Waterproof design, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, ensuring reliable performance even in challenging weather conditions. Durable build, engineered to withstand rugged environments, it is perfect for job sites and demanding activities. Portability, lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and position wherever needed. Product 10. Product name Viver Electric Car Jack. The Viver Electric Car Jack is a robust and versatile tool designed to simplify tire changes and vehicle repairs for SUVs, MPVs, sedans, and trucks. With a 5-ton, 11,023 pounds, hydraulic lifting capacity, this electric car jack is built to handle heavy-duty tasks efficiently. It features a range of functionalities, making it an essential addition to any garage or roadside repair kit. Key features: hydraulic jack with high capacity. The 5-ton capacity ensures compatibility with a wide range of vehicles, from standard sedans to larger trucks and SUVs. Its hydraulic system provides a smooth and effortless lifting experience, reducing the physical effort required during operation. Electric impact wrench. The included electric impact wrench allows for quick and hassle-free removal and tightening of lug nuts. This feature significantly reduces the time and energy needed for tire changes. Built-in inflatable pump. The integrated pump adds versatility, enabling users to inflate tires and other items as needed. This makes the tool especially useful for on-the-go emergencies. Product 11. Product name Labor-Saving Handle 2-Pack. The Labor-Saving Handle 2-Pack is a versatile and innovative tool designed for heavy-duty lifting and construction tasks. It includes a pair of handles specifically designed to assist with lifting various heavy materials such as wall tiles, door panels, and cabinet structures. This product features a 12-inch construction jack that allows for a multifunction height adjustment mechanism, making it ideal for precise lifting and positioning. The handles are capable of raising objects by up to 6.69 inches and are designed to support a dynamic load of up to 450 pounds, providing robust support for a variety of lifting tasks. This labor-saving device is particularly useful for individuals working on construction projects or home improvements where accurate, efficient lifting is necessary. Its design reduces strain and enhances safety when lifting heavy panels, doors, tiles, or other materials, making it an essential tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Product 12. Product name Rubber Floor Mat. The Amazon Basics 2-piece premium rubber floor mat for cars, SUVs, and trucks offers durable, all-weather protection for your vehicle's interior. Designed to fit most vehicles with a trim-to-fit feature, these floor mats are ideal for maintaining cleanliness and safeguarding against dirt, mud, and spills. The rubber construction ensures longevity and resistance to wear, while the black color provides a sleek, neutral look that complements any car's interior. These mats are easy to clean and offer a secure, non-slip grip, making them an excellent choice for users looking for a simple yet effective solution to protect their vehicle floors from damage. Whether for daily commutes or off-road adventures, these floor mats offer reliable performance year-round. Product 13. Product name FlexiMounts GL1 Overhead Garage Lifting. The FlexiMounts GL1 Overhead Garage Lifting Storage Rack is an excellent solution for organizing and maximizing space in your garage. This heavy-duty ceiling storage rack features a 4x4 foot frame that can support up to 300 pounds, making it ideal for storing bulky items such as seasonal equipment, sports gear, and tools. The rack is constructed from robust metal to ensure durability and long-lasting performance. One of its key benefits is its adjustability, allowing you to customize the height to accommodate different storage needs. Whether you're looking to store small boxes or large items, the flexibility in positioning makes it suitable for various garage layouts. Finished in sleek black, it also blends well with most garage decors. Product 14. Product name KingTool 3 25-piece Auto Repair Tool Set. The KingTool 3 25-piece Auto Repair Tool Set is a comprehensive tool collection designed for both home and auto repairs. This versatile set is ideal for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and handymen who require an all-in-one solution for various maintenance and repair tasks. With 325 pieces, it offers a wide range of tools to tackle a variety of tasks, including auto repairs, general household fixes, and other common mechanical or electrical needs. This toolkit includes an assortment of wrenches, sockets, pliers, screwdrivers, and other hand tools, all neatly organized in a durable toolbox storage case with a convenient drawer system. The high-quality construction ensures that these tools are built to last, providing reliability for both everyday tasks and more complex repairs.